you guys, welcome to Uniquely Jas Jewels. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a workstation tour. So this is my little office space. Over here I got my gaming controller because I am a gamer, and my Fuji camera along with my cup and some glitters that I've been testing, and some earring card holders or whatever, and some keychains that I just made. And this is my computer and monitor, and some cups that I've been using to make resin and glitters and stuff, plant along with some diamond painting coasters, and my mouse, label printer with some earrings and glue and some more glitter, and my UV lamp, and some makeup and some random stuff, earring supplies like earring hoops and stuff, and some more glitter, and my UV resin. It's basically the cheap resin or whatever, and this is my desk mat, and it's a little dirty or whatever and sticky. If you guys know how to clean these, let me know in the comments, because I don't know how to clean it. But in this drawer is some more supplies and beads and stuff. I used to make bracelets, but I don't really want my store to be like bracelet related, so they only limited edition. But I mainly got them because I wanted to make beaded earrings or whatever. So I'm just waiting until I get some wires so I can really make beaded earrings. And then I got this nail file so I can smooth the edges from when I'm doing resin, and some little pliers or whatever, and mica powder, and just some random glitters and more supplies and stuff. And I also got these custom earrings that I made for someone, and some business cards and charms. And down here is mainly shipping supplies and packing stuff. And I got some USPS packaging at the bottom, and my tablet on top of it because I didn't know where to put it. And in here is some earring molds and some thank you stickers, and a phone case for when I do POV cards, and just random supplies and thank you cards. And then in here I have some earrings that I've made a long time ago that's already packaged, and some makeup in here. And the bottom drawer is some more earrings that I made because I can't fit them all in one drawer, so I used two. And that's basically my workstation, office space, whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe.